What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news, and I have to say that we have plenty of news that might drive the price of Tesla either way. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that because of this price action, we still had an upside potential as long as this pivot holds and this pivot holds. And I also told you that if this asset breaks this bottom, we might see the retest of this swing low, and we might go even lower if it breaks this bottom. And the main price target was the golden pocket range, the range in between $165.25 and $152.41. And as you can see, we bounced off the lower border of this range, but then we broke it to the downside, and it is also not the bullish sign. And definitely with this price action we have more bearish pressure and we have less positive sentiment on this stock. But I have to say that we might see an upcoming trend reversal. And first of all, let me show you the news. And first of all, let me show you why we have this massive sell-off during the last several sessions. We are on businessinsider.com, and this article was published on December 16th, and it says: a surge of Wall Street players are screaming that Elon Musk's Twitter obsession is hurting Tesla. Let me go to these bullets. SEC filings on Wednesday revealed Elon Musk sold $3.6 billion more in Tesla stock. Analysts speculate the proceeds will help cover Twitter's deficits, rising concerns. Then Ives stated that Musk is using Tesla as his own ATM machine to fund Twitter. And let me quote you further. The impact of Elon Musk buying Twitter on Tesla is getting scarier for investors. For the third time after saying in April that he had no further Tesla sales planned, filings made on Wednesday revealed Musk sold 22 million more shares of Tesla, valued some $3.6 billion. That brings the total amount of Tesla stock that Musk has sold this year to $23 billion. Just a few days ago, Musk promised that in the long haul, Tesla would benefit from his ownership of Twitter, but there is growing skepticism from analysts that will happen. Dan Ives at Wedbush wrote in a report on Thursday that Twitter remains a nightmare for investors because Musk has been using Tesla as his own ATM machine to keep funding the social network. Definitely, we have a lot of bearish pressure from the Elon Musk and Twitter saga, and definitely because of this we have these very scary filings that were made on December 14th, and the main bearish pressure was made, as you can see, on December 13th. And this let me show you right here. As you can see, this was the first leg to the downside when Elon Musk started to sell his shares, and this was the second one, the most powerful, as you can see, with the highest volume among the other volumes right here. And because of this, this asset reached the golden pocket range, and in my opinion it is still very promising. So let me show you that on top of this news we have another bearish pressure on Tesla. And let me quote to this. On December 17th, we have this article on Yahoo Finance, and it's titled "Third largest Tesla stock owner says Elon Musk should step down as CEO." And let me quote you further. Indonesian billionaire Kogwan Leo, the third largest individual shareholder of electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla, is demanding CEO Elon Musk step down. Leo accuses the eccentric billionaire of focusing too heavily on Twitter, the social media site recently purchased by Musk for over $44 billion. Elon abandoned Tesla and Tesla has no working CEO, Leo wrote Wednesday on Twitter. Tesla needs and deserves to have working full-time CEO. And definitely this also might be quite negative. But at the same time, we have quite positive news. On December 16th, we have this article that Cathie Wood loads up on Tesla stock as Elon Musk sells. So at the time of the major sell-off, we have plenty of people and plenty of institutional investors who buys this stock. And let me show you the fintel.io website. Right here you can see that a lot of recent filings tells us that we have more bullish pressure from this standpoint on Tesla stock. Definitely these positions are not the highest one, but it is quite significant, especially if you take a look right here. At the very end of November, Vanguard heavily added to its existing position more than 206%, and the overall value of its position is more than $21 billion, and it is only one branches of Vanguard holding. Second one right here added about 225% to its position, and the overall position right now is more than $16 billion. Definitely we still have a lot of bullish pressure, and let me show you that we have two recent forecasts made by analytic companies, and one of them is Goldman Sachs Group, second one is Royal Bank of Canada, and they made these filings on December 14th and December 15th respectively. Both of them lowered the price target, but Goldman Sachs set the buy rating on Tesla, and their price target right now are at $235 and $225 respectively, with an upside potential of more than 43%. Definitely, in the long-term perspective, this asset is still very promising, and I have to say that we have very good upcoming news. First of all, let me show you that Tesla Giga Texas now produces 3,000 Model Y per week. This means it is about 150,000 vehicles annually. If you multiply 3,000 vehicles by roughly 50 weeks, you will have this number. And definitely it is a very good number, but the overall capacity of this plant should be about 5,000 cars per week. That will be about 250,000 vehicles per year. On top of that, let me show you that Tesla's Giga Berlin may make move to 3 shifts going forward. And let me quote you this. You may have read recent articles suggesting that Tesla is dealing with demand issues. Moreover, an employee at Tesla's new factory in Germany reported various labor issues, such as lack of workers. However, despite the negative news, it appears as though the US EV maker is still expanding production and might be moving to 3 shifts. Tesla hit a milestone in October, announcing that Giga Berlin had the capacity to produce 2,000 Model Y vehicles per week. Teslarati notes that it is essentially a run rate that would exceed 100,000 models produced annually. And definitely their overall target is 5,000 vehicles per week, as Tesla's Gigafactory Texas has, but this number is very promising as well. On top of this news, let me show you that we are about to see their new plant, the information about their new plant, official information, and let me quote you this. Tesla to build a new factory in Mexico. And this article was published just 4 hours ago, and it says, Milenio, a Mexican news outlet, is reporting this week that Tesla has concluded an agreement with the state of Nuevo León to build a new factory west of the city of Santa Catarina. And definitely, when this statement becomes official, we will see massive spike in Tesla price, and we have to be prepared for this. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, in general, let me zoom out a little bit on a daily time frame and let me clean the chart. I have to say that this movement to the downside has to have a retracement, and we have to unload at least this latest movement from $313 all the way down to $150. And definitely we might have a small leg to the downside, but most likely we have to see the retracement that will have about, let me show it to you, about 20%, about 30% to this previous swing high, and we might hit it in a matter of next several weeks. Definitely very good upside potential with the low possibility of downside potential. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna